we are with this 2007 Bayliner Discovery with 5.7 engine in it. Included with this vessel is the Dinghy outboard little portable generator. This gives us a nice on the water profiles. Factory hardtop and an aft curtain canvas also. Come with me for a quick walk around tour on this 2007 Bayliner 246 Discovery here at South Mountain Yachts. Starting off at the forward bow, we see we have a little deck area, plow anchor, and a hatch to allow light and air into the cabin. We also have forward facing windows right there, which we have a cover on. Coming down along the side, we see we have oversized slash windows which open to allow light and air into the cabin. We've got grab rails all around for our safety. Here on the hardtop, we have more rails. We have a little walk around on this. Here at the transom, and in this section, we've got multiple in-deck rod holders for the fishermen. Here at the transom, we've got an extended swim step. Also, there's a boarding ladder, and the owner's including this inflatable dinghy with the Honda Outboard motor. There's also a bait tank that goes back here. So, let's step aboard. Once aboard this vessel, we enter the cockpit through this starboard door. There's a hot and cold shower right behind it. More in-deck rod holders and cup holders. Now this transom seat here folds flush to the transom, so we have more space. There's also a cocktail table that goes into the floor. We've got jump seats with storage up underneath both of them. There and there. That one has our battery switches also. Companion seat. We're also including this little Honda generator with purchase of the vessel. To starboard, we have our helm. Raised seat right there with a nice footstep. And then at the helm, we have our VHF radio, trim tab controls, our NorthStar Explorer 650 GPS chart plotter. All of our gauges right in front of us, and that gives us a view from the helm. These windows on the hardtop open up to allow ventilation, and we have a nice wide open cockpit. Engine access is right through there. Engine access is nice and easy through this hatch on twin gas assisted struts, so it opens nice and easy. You don't even have to close the seat. Looking at the engine, we've got a MerCruiser 5.7. Risers are clean. Engine looks to be well cared for and well kept. Batteries off to one side. Right there. and some counterweights over there. Neat, clean. Should expect years of carefree boating. Let's go inside. We enter the cabin through the centerline door, down a few steps. Immediately to port, we have our bed, power panel, stereo system, and our flat screen TV, well mounted for all to view. Down along the port side, we have our Galley single burner electric alcohol stove, refrigerator below, stainless steel sink, and some cabinets right there. Notice how bright the cabin is due to the windows, and keep in mind we actually have the front ones covered. Moving forward, we have a V berth that measures over 7 feet on the slant. A booth style dinette. This also lowers and becomes a sleeping area also. We've got the owner's pocket right there. Moving aft, we have our head. It's fully lined, fiberglass, marine toilet, easy to care for, easy to clean. We have a little cabinet and an RV style shower right there. This boat in all shows very well. Neat, clean, odor-free. It's had a lot of recent maintenance. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts.